we want to find the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of x raised to the 2 over x minus 1 power. Notice that if I plug in x equals 1, I have 1 raised to the 2 over 0, which is going to be indeterminate. So I'm going to call the limit L, and so that I need to bring down the exponent and then calculate the limit. So let's take the natural log of both sides. So when I take the natural log, I can bring it inside the limit, and then I have the natural log of x raised to the 2 over x minus 1 power. The 2 over x minus 1 is going to go in front, and now I can think of this as just 2 natural log x over x minus 1. As x approaches 1 from the right, I still end up with 0 over 0. So I need to use, again, L'Hopital's rule. So they take the derivative of 2 natural log x, that's just 2 over x, and then the denominator of the derivative is 1, so I'm not even going to bother writing it. And if you plug in x equals 1 now to 2 over x, and you get 2. So the natural log of L, our limit, is equal to 2. That means the limit has to be e squared. And so the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of x raised to 2 over x minus 1 power is going to be e squared.